Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock DLC codes in DTI on phones or iPad. So if you're trying to find the DLC codes button in the DTI but it's missing on your phone or iPad, in this video I'll explain to you how you can unlock and use DLC codes button on mobile. So if you are playing on on mobile like phones or maybe iPads, iPhones or some Android devices, you might not see the DLC codes button at all. So in here I'm playing on mobile, so when I try to click on the codes in here, usually when I play on the PC, there will be the DLC codes button here show up on top of the basic codes button, but as you guys can see it doesn't appear in here. That's only because it's PC exclusive, so it's only available on a PC or a browser. So if you are using browser, when you click on this, you can just here see the DLC codes at the top. It should appear on the top of this codes button options. So once you see the DLC button, you can just type in your code and then redeem it. So some users report that the DLC buttons only appear after completing a tutorial or reaching a certain level. But if it's still missing on yours, especially on mobile or iPad, you can try to update the app and relaunch the game, or you can also try rotating your device to landscape or portrait mode to refresh the UI elements. But as of now, if you are on mobile, iPads or iPhones, sorry, the DLC button won't show up yet. Let's just hope that the Roblox team will update their DLC buttons into mobile also, so not only it's appear on PC. And that's how you can unlock the DLC code button in DTI on mobile. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Roblox updates, and comment below if your button still isn't showing up. And don't forget to also click on the thanks. Bye!